Hello stock stalkers, welcome back. Markets have just now closed. This is the daily chart of Agility and we are seeing a red candle today. By the way, yesterday was its listing. We saw nice buying pressure. This was a good pump in the market. Today it opened with a gap up, but we are seeing dumping of this stock. Let's analyze this in detail. I'm going down to 15 minutes chart and here we can see after the listing, that is right here at around 1.48, we saw selling pressure. However, after consolidating around 1.36, we saw a massive breakout to the upside till about 1.64. Today's high is at 1.66. And after a positive opening, we are seeing selling pressure. This is exactly what I had mentioned in my yesterday's video. By the way, if you have missed my analysis on Agility that I had posted yesterday, I will provide a link right at the top. Do watch it so that you can understand how the price action works and why we are seeing tremendous selling pressure in today's session. Yesterday we had discussed we saw a breakout right from about 1.40 and we are seeing only green candles. And as we had discussed in yesterday's video, if at all it opens with a gap up and runs away, I'm not interested in this stock. Reason being, I want to see a correction of this phase to the upside. This is exactly what we are seeing. After the opening, it trapped most of the buyers right at the top. This was a perfect bull trap scenario. And from here we are seeing almost red candles. Now what happened here is those who bought right at the top under FOMO, that is fear of missing out. Psychology says if it has made a big move to the upside and today if it has opened with a gap up, this is a positive sign. There are chances it will go up. So let me buy right here so that if it goes up, I'm with the trend. That does not happen. Reason is very clear. I had mentioned in very simple words that a move is already done. Now for it to continue to the upside, it will need more buying pressure. That cannot be seen because yesterday we saw more than 93 million shares traded in this stock and from here correction was expected. Only in two scenarios I had mentioned I would be interested. Either it opens flat or with a gap up. Whatever the scenario is, it should go sideways to establish a base. A correction would be better so that it can establish a base and then when we see a breakout, this would be a perfect scenario for buying. However, we did not see that scenario, so no entries in Agility and from here straight away it came down. First sign of relief was around the support area, that is 1.45 to 1.48. We can see a green candle. Check this out. I had mentioned this is support area. We saw buying pressure here. It went sideways but no break to the upside. In fact, we saw a break to the downside right into our next area of support, that is 1.40, and from here it went sideways. So this is now looking interesting to me. If at all it sustains here, we can already see it has spent about hour and a half. This is good. All we want to see in Monday's session is a breakout. Today's closing is at 1.41. Till the time it is within this range and the more time it spends here, there are higher chances of break to the upside and that would be sustainable. We can see exactly here, the more sideways it went, the better buyers and sellers were getting accumulated here and then finally we saw a nice breakout. So let's give a chance to Agility to accumulate, whether it is in this range or if it is coming down, then it has to establish a range so that we know selling pressure has ended and now there are chances of reversal. So overall Agility as of now is under pressure. It's trying to establish. In Monday's session, if it opens with a gap up and breaks to the upside, if it sustains above 1.46, then I think it will try and go up and possibly it will continue its upside momentum. So guys, this was my quick update on Agility. Wishing you all a happy weekend. For regular updates on Dubai and Abu Dhabi stock market, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Keep stalking.